Hey guys, we just arrived at KIA, Kuala Lumpur International Airport. We're checking right now. So, yeah, just waiting for the boarding pass. Dia kata nak 6. Tak senang, kita bawa ni je lah. Sekejap kita pergi kat boarding. Total boarding pass 6, including my parents. So, we'll update you guys later. Oh, so beautiful. So we already checked in and we're heading to the gate. I'm not sure which gate I am, but it's okay, we'll check it later. So here's the KLIA Terminal 2. Domestic departure. Still a long way to go, but I'm so excited. So this is the early view in Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Not so many flights today, but yeah, kind of nice, right? I love this airport. It's humongous as well. As always, sorry. Yeah, I will record later if I like. Ini cantik depan ni. Wow, this is amazing. Be right back. Hey guys, we already reached at Kota Kinabalu. Right now I'm at the airport. So yeah, we're heading to the residential in a couple of minutes. We'll update later. So here where I stay, Aru Suite at Tanjung Aru, just right next to the airport. If you can see, we literally have the plane about to take off. Oh my god, that's loud. Bye bye. See you soon. I'll be here for 3 days. Can you guys see it? So nice. And also we can see the beach right there, Tanjung Aru Beach. Absolutely stunning. Just imagine you swimming right here. It's really sunny today. It's like 30 Celsius probably. And yeah, and they have like mountain view. That's the coast, the Tanjung Aru coast. This is the Kota Kinabalu city. Very nice. I'm impressed. I'm gonna swim, but not today, maybe tomorrow, because I forgot my swimsuit. So later.
I was wrong. What else can I say, girl? Can't you blame my heart. I was drunk, I was gone. That don't make it right, but promise there were no feelings involved. She said, boy, tell me honestly, was it real or just for show? She said, save your apologies. Baby, I just gotta know, how long has this been going on? You've been creeping around on me, are you calling me baby? How long has this been going on? You've been acting so shady, I've been feeling it lately, babe. I'll admit it's my fault, but you gotta believe me when I said it only happened once. Yeah,
Oh my god, guys, check out the view. This is like the lookout point to Gunung Kinabalu. Absolutely amazing. It's like, I'm breathtaking. This is breathtaking. And you guys want to know where is that is the Gunung Kinabalu. That's the Gunung Kinabalu. I'm at the lookout point, which is absolutely breathtaking. Oh my god, the nature. So amazing. We're taking photos. So here's my lookout. Oh my god. Kind of scary, but absolutely stunning. That's the Mount Kinabalu right there. Okay, down here. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Just trying to zoom in. If it's work. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Yeah, it's not because I don't connect. Oh my god, guys. You guys won't believe what is in front of me. This is amazing. That's the Mount Kinabalu. Let's go and take a look a little closer. Yeah, that's the view of Mount Kinabalu. This is the lookout. You guys can see the entire Gunung Kinabalu in here. From here. Absolutely stunning. So cool. I love this. I actually in love with this view. Like, we cannot get this back in Kuala Lumpur or Penang or in Peninsula of Malaysia. Just appreciate the nature while we're still here. Incredible. I'm the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. So I wanna know the kind of dress you're wearing tonight. If he's holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I overdosed. Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame. We don't talk anymore. Kinabalu Geopark. So let's read a little bit of the fact. Kinabalu is a small town in the Kota Kinabalu district about 12 kilometers from Kinabalu Park. The town located on the ridge of the Crocker Range, 1,000 meters above the sea level, is the last resting area before heading to the Kinabalu Park headquarters. The town is local sales center for various agricultural products and rural industries such as vegetables, local fruits, food and handicraft. Yeah, but I don't want to waste your time to read all of this, but this is amazing. Look at the lookout. Wow, absolutely amazing. Crazy beautiful. Worth every penny. So I just try to zoom out to the top of Mount Kinabalu. I don't know if I can get clear footage of it, but it's absolutely amazing and breathtaking. I love this nature. So here's the closer view of it. So beautiful, so peaceful. And it's actually kind of cold in here. I think the weather, the temperature will be around 23 or 22 Celsius, which is very good and cozy. I really love this environment. Amazing. It's so peaceful in here and absolutely stunning. You guys can see my view from the back. It's crazy. This is Kundasang, Sabah. So peaceful. I love this city. This place is amazing. And oh my god, the nature is just absolutely stunning. We can spot lots of cows right there. So cute. We're approaching the dairy farm. Desa dairy farm. Look at that rock statue. They have like a couple of restaurants where you can eating and enjoy this kind of peaceful environment, which is kinda amazing, I think, with this breathtaking scenery. So here's the view from the dairy farm. So cute. So this is the Kota Kinabalu Geopark. Hi, Minnie Mouse. Hi, hello. So the view is like absolutely amazing in here. You guys can see like they have like houses all across up the hill and stuff. Stunning. I love it. So as you can see, it's so peaceful and beautiful in here because like they have like cow. This is like the logo over here, and over there they have like milk processing plant. Amazing. I love it. And the weather, I mean, the temperature in here is like slightly cold compared to Penang or KL because it's on the top of the hills, on the top of the mountains. So can't blame them. But it's okay. It's good for me because you know I don't really into hot weather. This temperature is just nice between 22 to 23 Celsius. Yeah. Guys, I'm waiting for my car, my rental car, to be appear on this magical door. I mean like elevator. They have like yeah, it's open to sesame. So it's appear right now. Yeah, this is my car. So literally we have the hey guys, today is my last day here in Sabah, and I just bumped into this shopping mall with this amazing Chinese New Year decoration, which is so pretty. Wow, look at those giant oranges. So nice. I love it. I still need to wait for a couple more hours before I need to catch my flight. So we just have time to walk around this very very famous shopping mall. Right. Hey guys, I'm waiting for my flight, but seems like my flight got delayed, a little bit delayed, so I literally have no other option. And look at this airport, it's like absolutely empty for no reason. Look at the waiting area, like nobody in here. Yeah, empty spaces. Wow, are you kidding me? I'm not in a quarantine movie or something. Maybe they have like 2 or 3 people, not so many. Just me walking in here alone. But this airport is quite big and so sunny. If you guys can see, like it's really sunny. The sun came from the glass, came through the glass. Yeah. And here is the Ketibaan Semenanjung Sarawak Labuan Peninsula Sarawak Labuan arrivals. Oh, this is the arrivals. Oh yes, I forgot. Oh my god, they have like immigration people inside there, so I better back off because you know if you live in Peninsula Malaysia, either KL or Penang or something like that, you need to scan your passport. If you don't have your passport, maybe you can use your identification card, your Malaysian identification card. Yeah, you can use that to check in, or I mean like to enter Sabah, which is like pretty brand new for me. I never knew this before. So when they asked me for my identification card, I was like, I'm still in Malaysia. Why I need to show my card? I don't understand. Give me a reason. I'm Malaysian. I'm not foreigner. And then they and then they like keep explaining to me, because you live in Peninsula, you're flying from Kuala Lumpur, and you're not flying from Borneo, so we need your identification, and you only will be able to stay here for 90 days. And I was like, oh, that's similar to my situation when I traveled to overseas. But funny, because Sabah is still Malaysia, a part of Malaysia. Kind of interesting. So now I already learned. And should I go inside here? I'll be right back. Wow, you can see the beach. Absolutely stunning.
Somebody to pick up my straw. Well, don't waste time. Give me a sign. Tell me how you wanna roll. I want somebody to speed it up for me and make it dance slow. There's enough room for both. Well, I can handle that. You just gotta show me where it's at. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? If you want it, you already got it. If you want it, baby, what you want? If you feel it, it must be real. Just say the word. I'ma give you what you want. Breakdown, come on. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock, tick tock. I think what I need is for you and my bedtime. Yeah. Come on, so I can tell that you like it and that it's good. The way that you move. Oh, hey. I'm all the time in Ho, shut the fuck up, 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 Right now, she's probably up singing from a white trash version of Shania karaoke. Right now, she's probably saying I'm drunk, and he's thinking that he's gonna get lucky. Right now, she's probably dabbing on $3 worth of that bathroom roll. Oh, and he don't know. Take my key to the side of this pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Call my name into his leather seat. Louisville slugger to both headlights. Last I hung all four tires. Maybe next time I'll think before he cheats. I might have saved a little trouble for the next girl. 'Cause the next time that he cheats, oh, you know it won't be on me. No, not on me. Bring it, 'cause I dab my key into the side of this pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Car the KLIA Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you again on my next vlog. Take care.